Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Gracias por mirar. So it is time for a little bit of Spanish with Bridget. I appreciate so many people logging in and enjoying the Spanish lessons. I hope you enjoyed last night's episode with Miss Wendy from Atlanta, Georgia. So someone's messaged me about what is going on near the golf course. They were filming a movie and some trailers for Kokota. A lot of different things were happening yesterday. So I had to be nosy in order to find out. So I called the clubhouse using my Spanish and I said, "Lo que está sucediendo? Lo que está sucediendo?" And that is what is happening. Lo que está sucediendo. Lo que está sucediendo. And they actually knew what I was saying because that was a new word for me. So I hope you all got that. So when you need to say, what is happening? Instead of saying it in English, say it in Spanish. Lo que está sucediendo. That's right, a little bit of Spanish. Every Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is the regular episode. Every day you get a little bit of Spanish. So turn on your notification bell. Have a wonderful Friday, everybody. The weather is amazing as usual. Take care and enjoy your weekend.